In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block all loan apps spam calls. There are several ways you can block loan app calls. You can either use your inbuilt phone, but the most effective one is to use Truecaller. Truecaller will automatically block it for you. Now let's launch Truecaller. I've already have it installed. Has been able to block all their phone calls almost every time, and with Truecaller to automatically block it, and I will see all those calls as a missed calls. The juicy part is that you don't have to do anything. Any call linked as scam call, it will automatically block it. And here you will see the report of the call, the name is scam. And if you have a new number that you want to block, you can easily block it when you click on the number and you click block. Another thing that you can report the profile. If you want to report the caller, you simply go to the to report profile and click on it. What issued with this phone number, you click and you select the misleading, if it's scam or something, then you click continue. That way other people will be able to have access to the same thing, and Truecaller will automatically block it. So once you have subsequent multiple reports from different users, they will automatically block the number. As soon as they call any other person, they can pick it up and they will block the number out of the system. That way we limit the number of ways they have access to. And if you are not getting desired results, you can switch to premium version of Truecaller. And when you switch to premium version of Truecaller, you have maximum access. And of course, if you like, you can update. You can click on update to update. So Truecaller will automatically update the list of outdated spam call numbers. So it's still one of the best way to get started if you don't want to see any loan app calls every now and then.